Today we will deal with operations on complex numbers. The basic operations performed on complex numbers are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There are some other operations like conjugate, modulus and reciprocal. First of all, we will deal with basic operations. Like I have two complex numbers z1 and z2, how I will add them, subtract them, multiply them and divide them. So start with the first operation, that is addition. Addition of two complex numbers. So let I have two complex numbers z1 and z2. Let z1 is a plus iota b and z2 is c plus iota d. And how I will add them? z1 plus z2. Just write the value of z1, which is a plus iota b, then the symbol is plus, and z2 is c plus iota d. So real number will be added to real number and imaginary part will be added to imaginary part. So here in for z1 I have real value a, then the sign is plus, and then value of z2, real part of z2, that is c. So a plus c. Similarly this happens for the imaginary part. Iota can be taken common. Imaginary part is b, then the sign is addition and the value of imaginary part for z2. So in this way we add two complex number. Real part is added to real part and imaginary part is added to imaginary part. So I am taking one example. Suppose I have z1 and z2. z1 equal to 5 minus 4 iota and z2 is a 3 plus 2 iota. So what will be the value of z1 plus z2? The addition will be, write down the value of z1, then plus sign and value of z2. Now real part is added to real. 5 will added to 3. So 5 plus 3. Then write iota plus iota. Imaginary part for z1 is minus 4. Don't forget to take the sign. So minus 4, then sign is plus and second is 2. Imaginary part for z2 is 2. So in this way we add them. So 5 plus 3 is 8, then iota, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So I will write 8 minus 2 iota. In this way we can add two complex numbers. Similarly we can subtract two complex numbers. So second operation is subtraction. So z1, let z1 is a plus iota b and z2 equal to c plus iota d. So subtraction means minus z1 minus z2. So how we will get the value of z1 minus z2? First write the value of z1, then the sign that is negative, and then value of z2. So it will be a plus iota b minus c plus iota d. Real part will be subtracted from real part a, then sign and the value of real part for z2. And imaginary part, write the value of plus iota. Imaginary part is b, then minus and the imaginary part for second part, that is d. So in this way we can subtract two numbers. Let's take one example for subtraction. I am taking z1 equal to 3 minus 2 iota, z2 equal to minus 8 plus 4 iota. So z1 minus z2 equal to, first write the value of z1, then the sign and value of z2. So for real part of z1, first of all, then negative sign, and real part of z2, that is minus 8. Don't forget to take this sign negative. Then plus iota. Real part is minus 2, then the sign and then 4. Imaginary part for this part, that is 4. Imaginary part for this minus 2, then minus sign because we are subtracting, and then this imaginary part of z2, that is 4. So it will be 3 plus 8 plus iota and it will be minus 6. So this is 11 minus 6 iota. So in this way we can subtract two numbers. So this was the second basic operation, subtraction. It is similar with the addition, just the difference is when you add you take a plus c, and here I am taking a minus c. When you add you take b plus d, here I am taking b minus d. Similarly for this example, 3 minus second part is minus 8, so it will be 3 minus of minus 8 will be plus 8. So we can subtract two complex number with this method. So next is third operation is multiplication. So I am taking two complex numbers z1 and z2, a plus iota b and c plus iota d. Now I want to multiply. I can put dot sign here or just write z1 z2 for multiplication. So z1 into z2, write the value of z1 but in bracket, and then write the value of z2 in bracket, because it is not a one value, it contains two, it has two parts, so we have to put the bracket. So I will write the value of z1 and z2 in bracket. Then apply the distributive law like we previously applied in lower classes. So write a and multiply it with whole bracket. Then write second value is iota b. Here I will take the whole value with the sign iota b and multiply with the second bracket. So then open this bracket. A into c, a will be multiplied with the first part, then a will be multiplied with the second part. Second part is iota, a and d. Similarly do this step for second part. Iota b first multiplied with the first part, that is c, so it will be iota bd. Then multiply this term with second part. This is iota into iota, it will be iota square, then b into d. So in this way we multiply them, but we know iota square is minus 1, so I can simplify it and write it as ac plus iota ad plus iota bc and minus bd. Then I will separate the real and imaginary part. Real part is ac because it doesn't have iota sign. Second is minus bd, so real part is ac minus bd. Then imaginary part is, take iota common. Imaginary part is this and this, so I am taking iota common, so imaginary part is ad plus bc. So in this way I can multiply two complex numbers. So understand it more with the help of example. So I am taking z1 equal to 4 minus 2 iota and z2 equal to 5 plus 2 iota. So and z1 into z2. So I am going to multiply them. So first write the value of z1 and in bracket and value of z2 in bracket. Then as we have discussed in the method, first multiply 4 with the whole bracket and the second value, that is minus 2 iota with the whole bracket of second. So now open the bracket. 5 into 4 is 20, 5 into 2 is 8 iota. Then open this bracket. It will be minus 10 iota. And then it is minus 2 into 2, 4 iota square. So iota into iota will be iota square. We never leave it up to this. Iota square will be, we can take only real values or the values which contains iota. Iota square, iota cube, iota 4, they should be simplified. So iota square as we know is minus 1, so I will put the value of iota square here. 8 iota minus 10 iota plus 4. Iota square is minus 1, minus minus will be plus 4. Then add the real part and subtract part and the imaginary part separately. Real will be added to real, that will be 20 plus 4, 24, and then iota part is common, 8 minus 10, so 24 minus 2 iota will be this one, 24 minus 2 iota. So in this way we can multiply two complex numbers. So last basic operation is the division. So fourth operation is division. How we divide two complex numbers? So if I have z1 a plus iota b and z2 is c plus iota d. The division is z1 by z2. So write the value of z1 in the numerator and value of z2 in the denominator. One thing should be clear, z2 can never be 0. Denominator can never be 0. If denominator is 0, the whole term will be either infinity, minus infinity, or not defined. So we can't divide two numbers. So for division, denominator should not be 0. We will never leave this z1 by z2 here. I will discuss how we have to eliminate this iota part from the denominator point of view. I am talking like in the previous पार्ट्स आई हैव सेड दैट जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें हमारे पास आयोटा नहीं रहना चाहिए, तो हम लोग इसको रियल बनाते होते थे, तो वो आई विल डिस्कस इन द एग्जाम्पल. सो आई एम टेकिंग z1 is let z1 is 4 plus 3 iota and z2 3 minus 2 iota. So z1 by z2 will be 4 plus 3 iota over 3 minus 2 iota. So division is done, but it is not in the simplified form. So z1 by z2 is not in the simplified form. Why so? Because denominator part contains iota. So I have to remove the iota sign from the denominator part. So how we will remove? Just write this value, change the sign of iota. Here term iota contains negative sign, so I will change it to plus. So multiply this by this term and divide by this term, same as you do in the rationalization part. So हम यहाँ पे 3 plus 2 iota 3 plus 2 iota से multiply divide करते हैं. Then I will multiply them. First part 4 plus 3 iota into 3 plus 2 iota, and in denominator I will get a formula, a minus b, a plus b. So I know a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So it will be a square 3 square minus second term is 2 iota square. In the numerator I will multiply these two terms. 4 will be multiplied with the whole bracket, and the second value 3 iota will be multiplied with the whole bracket. And in denominator I will solve it, simplify it. 9 3 into 3 9 minus it will be 4 iota square. So then open the bracket, 12 plus 8 iota plus 9 iota plus 6 iota square. 3 iota will be 6 and iota square, and it will be 9 plus 4 because iota square is minus 1. So real part is 12 plus 8 plus 9 will be 17 iota, and it is minus 6. Iota square is minus 1 and the denominator is 13. So 12 minus 6 is 6 plus 17 iota by 13. In this way we divide z1 and z2. Just write z1 and z2 and remove iota from the denominator part. So in this way these are the basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the next video we will discuss some more operations: conjugate, modulus and reciprocal. And if you have any doubt you can discuss and ask me in the comment section. Thank you.